everybody, today we are going to make brioche. So we'll start with 1 kilo of flour. I'm going to put it in here. And now what we'll do is we will now grab 20 grams of yeast. 20 grams of yeast. There we go. 10 grams of salt. There you go. Now we'll do the sugar. 200 grams of sugar. There you go. 200 grams of sugar. And now what we'll do, we'll put in milk powder. We'll do 60 grams of milk powder. Put water and ice, cold water, and we're going to put it in here. We're going to put it on 1. First plug it in. We're just going to put a little bit of water. Move it up to 2. We're done with this one. We're done with this. And now we will put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Let me show you. This is what it made. So we got it out of the freezer and the fridge, and we'll cut the dough in half. Roll it around in the flour because it's kind of sticky. And we'll put it in there, and now we'll just roll out a half. That's good enough. And now we'll get butter. We'll get the butter. We will cut it in half. In total for the whole batch, we will use 200 grams of butter. So you cut it in half, take one piece off and grab the other piece. We'll grab our rolling dough person out and smash the butter. We'll put it on the dough. And we'll smash it again. We'll take this off, put the other piece of butter on. Now we will fold it all the way to the end, and this will go all the way over there. There you go.
Et voila!
Now we will get the parchment, put this on the parchment paper and put it in the fridge. We got it out of the fridge the second time. We're going to roll it out just straight again. And we're going to put it on the parchment paper and again and put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. Now you'll fold it in half. I need my knife. We'll just fold it in half. We'll go like that. And now, we will unfold it so we know exactly where the half is, and we'll just cut it. And so what we'll do, we'll cut 3 tiny rectangles like this, look. like that. 3 of them. And we'll do that through the whole way. Now what we'll do, we'll grab it, go like that, spread it out. Do 3 of them at a time. Do it like that, and like you're braiding here, but you'll go to the bottom first. Then now you'll go up to the top, like that. You see? Do the same thing again. Just do the whole way with 3 pieces. Have like brioche sit in the fridge for overnight, and now we will put it in the oven. So first we'll egg them. So now put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Now the brioche have been in the oven for about 40 minutes. Now we're going to check them. Mamacita, look at this! See it? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like it. Thanks very much.